We hit the road in Alaska for 12 nights at the beginning of August in an RV from Great Alaskan Holidays. And today I'm giving you the full tour. Here is the exact model we called home on our adventure. I will show you all the inside features to the outside functions. Come check it out. All right, we are currently parked and Bennett and my dad are fishing. So I'm going to give you a tour of our RV. Here's the door. It's where we take off our shoes. Usually there's 5 pair there. Something that they told us, which was good, was having the power right here. Make sure that's on when you want to use the power. This is the light switch, which runs on battery. And then the screen door. Oh, there's already a mosquito in here. This is the fridge. The mode uses propane. Unless you're plugged in, then it will use the battery. So you click open. We got water, shakes, random food, ketchup, milk. So fairly big, and make sure it snaps. And this is the freezer. We have a little bit of food left. Make sure that snaps. One suggestion someone gave us was to put the keys in the same spot. So we've been putting them up there just above the screw so I know where it is, because I'm not tall enough. So that's where we always know where to grab them. So here's our layout. You have, this is my bed. Lots of blankets, keep us warm. And then I just use that for storage because I'm not that tall and I can just sleep there. We have some coats hanging. This is the bathroom, which has a nice shower. And the skylight. We always think there's a light on, but we keep the broom and the dustpan. Here's the sink. The sink goes to the black water tank. And then there's the toilet. And this is where we keep our extra toilet paper, toiletries. I'd recommend getting an air freshener. It is a small space. And these are the lights. They do have 2 hooks in here. And then we just drape our towels there. And then here's the door. Not too bad in here. All right, and then in here, we got plenty of towels, 2 per person, 2 bath towels, 2 hand towels, and 2 washcloths. And then there is storage up there. I keep all my clothes, my packing cubes. There's a skylight. There is a TV, but I never use it. I don't think I ever turn on the TV when I'm on vacation. Too much to do. Here is our sink area. So we keep all of our coats hung up in here. They said 12 hangers. I haven't actually counted. And then we just keep some food. This is our tool thing. So I have a Sharpie to label our water bottles, scissors, and some other stuff. Some snack mix. We keep extra food in here. And then this is our miscellaneous drawer that has random stuff. Bags, mosquito net, flashlight, just kind of that random stuff that you look for. Under the sink has our pots and pans. In here are matches, salt and pepper. They give us these. These were all in the silverware, but I put them in there because we don't need to use them all the time. And then our cups are in here. We keep the dishes in here. I always keep the clean ones in here and the dirty ones in there. We did pay extra to get a coffee maker, and when we move, I put this in the sink so it doesn't fall. Up here, we keep more food. And then this is our silverware. It doesn't really fit in a drawer. Keep the bread up there, microwave. Paper towels. I brought my own soap. They didn't give us dish soap, so I had brought that. They do give you a sponge and another harder sponge. And then they give you a hand towel. This is our oven. I did bring tin foil, so we're just keeping that in here. This is where my dad sleeps. He folds it out at night. And then there's lots of space. He keeps his clothes up there. This is kind of his. This is where my son sleeps. Has all of his stuff. Keeps his clothes back there. It's kind of his little nook. I'm just drying my towel here right now. But I got these hooks, which are awesome. Never know when you want a hook to be able to hang stuff on to dry. This is where we keep our garbage. I don't really have a garbage can except in the bathroom. So we just took a bag and put a plastic bag inside. This is all of random stuff. The counter. More stuff. They have like little cushions. And then there's two more. Up here they go together. And I think, here's the cab. It does have electrical. This one goes into the screen, so you can hook up your phone. This is Bluetooth, and this is the charging ports. But quite a few compartments. This is a brand new RV. I think there's only just over 10,000 miles. But here we are. There's 3 of us. It's quite comfortable. There are times where we bump into each other, but here's the thermostat where you can put the air, the heat, and the fan. And then the generator, the water heater, the water pump. So when you're not plugged in to a campsite, you just put this on, and then you can use the water and the toilet. But we just keep it off when we're not using it. This will tell you propane's 2/3, Battery's full. Bit better. And then fresh water is 2/3 full. The black tank is on empty. And the gray tank is on empty. We just pulled out of a campsite out of LD's, so everything has been dumped, which is why it's empty. That's that. Can't think of anything else. You know when your power is on when this flashes 0. And then the nice thing is all these lights just pop on and pop off. So they have quite a few of those in here. And this plug works. Yeah, so we're parked next to the river right now while they're fishing. So that's the tour. Alright, now we're going to tour the outside. This will keep your door open and shut. This is what it looks like. This is how you open it. This is a lock. So there's actually 2 locks that you can lock it with. That's this key. Now it's locked. This is another lock, which it's already locked, so we're good. And it has like a little key that tells you if it's locked. There we go. And then this is where you fill the water tank. Take this out and connect the hose. Oh, they're already back from fishing. Must not be very good. Not good? All right.
I figured you were kind of bored anyway.
I'm giving a tour. So then, here's the silver key. And then you can put it up. And then, this is where we store everything. Our luggage, waders, the white hose to fill, the leveling blocks. They gave us a cooler, which we haven't used because we're not keeping any fish. And then, will you shut the door, please, so I can edit? Then you lock it, hold that, hold.
Right down here.
And it's locked. And then come around here. This is where you keep the poop, the emptier. You don't ever use that. Here's the gas. You use just regular unleaded. And then this is where you hook it up for the city fill. And then down here is where black drain, you do that one. Black drain first, gray drain next. And electrical is in here. Ready. You turn it off. Now it's off. Then plug it in there. Gonna make sure that's plugged in or you have no power.
Just barely.
You're gonna want to hold that, D.
Hold what?
Okay, so you come over here. This is the black tank first, then the gray tank. So you just take it. Ready?
I think so.
And there it goes. Are you ready for the gray water?
I was born ready.
Thanks for joining me on this tour of our RV here in Alaska. It was a cute, cozy little home on wheels, and I hope this gives you a better idea of what it's like inside. If you are thinking of renting an RV in Alaska, watch my pros, cons, and tips on renting an RV so you can decide if it's the right fit for your Alaskan adventure. Happy travels!